All right, let's talk about the single best upgrade you can make for your new camera. That feeling is awesome, right? You're all set to get out there and start creating.
But what if that lens that came in the box is actually holding you back?
Yeah, I'm talking about that standard 18-55 mm kit lens. There's kind of a secret to it. See, it's often in the box because of sales commissions, not because it's the best for you. But the good news? The fix is super simple and won't destroy your student budget. Meet your new best friend, the 50 mm prime lens. Okay, let's break it down. Your kit lens is versatile, but the 50 mm is just superior. So, what kind of a difference are we actually talking about? Let's check the numbers. We're talking up to 10 times better image quality. No joke, that's a massive leap. And get this huge jump in quality, it costs around 200 bucks. That's it. This upgrade gets you two things: crazy sharp images and that beautiful blurry background effect. For you, this means your portraits are going to pop and you'll feel way more confident, fast. This is literally how you go from just taking snapshots to actually making photographs. So one simple lens can unlock your camera's real potential. The only question is, what will you create?